This video is on error correction, wherein I will be solving certain exercises with you with explanation and reasons. The exercises that I have taken are from BBC Compactor. If you're following this book, then you can very well note down the answers and understand them. Or else, if you're not following this book or you are in some other class, you can always see this video and take these exercises as practice sessions. I had made another video on error correction of editing, in which I have given 10 rules or 10 tips to follow and explained you what to remember along with 2 examples. If you have missed that video, no worries. I have given that link in the description box. Please have a look at that video and understand how to do this error correction. Let's begin with the session. Let's start off.
Let's start with the first passage. Why does we seek to build dams? In any line, first look at the subject. The subject here is we, which is plural. So obviously with plural, as per the rule, the verb will never have s. But in does, they do have s, which is an error. So therefore, instead of does, we will write here do. Large dams can ensure a storage of water. It is never a storage of water, it is always the storage of water. Adequate water, not just in irrigation. We never use water in irrigation, we always use water for irrigation. So this preposition is an error and instead we will use for. And also for generating electricity. Now notice that in this sentence we have a paired conjunction, not just, and also. Now the paired conjunction is not just but also. So instead of and, we will write but. Canal systems leading from this dams. If you see here, the subject is plural. With plural we cannot have this. Instead we will have these. Should transfer large amount of water. Now should is a wrong word here. Instead we will say can. Can, because can tells the ability of the dams. Should is used where you're giving an advice. This is not an advice. You're mentioning a capability or capacity. However, mismanagement of the water has largely led to benefits being cornered. Now it is never been cornered, it is being cornered. Because been is always used with has or have. Whenever you have been, you will use it with has, have or had in the passive voice. Now this is passive voice, but we do not have these helping verbs. So we will change it into being. Next, cornered by a little people. Okay, now look here. People here is again plural, right? And people is also countable noun. So with people, we cannot have little, we will have few people. Let's start with the second paragraph now. This is the first line of the second paragraph and we will see the rest of the paragraph after this. You must have observed that. Please note and always remember, if there is a word, helping verb, let's say one of these three has or have or had, then you will have V3 form of the verb after that. But here in this line, the verb is in the first form. So instead of observe, it should be observed. Continuing with the second paragraph, this is the rest of it. Iron articles are shiny when newer. Now you can see that here comparative form of adjective is used. But whenever you have comparative form, it should always be followed by than. Since we cannot find than here, so this is an error. So instead of newer, it should be new. And get coated with a reddish brown powder. Here this and is an error because here but should be used. Why? Because we are talking about two contrasting ideas. In the first line it says iron articles are shiny, and in the next line it says that it gets coated with a reddish brown powder. So because we have two contrasting ideas, here the conjunction to be used should be but. Brown powder when left for little time. Now here if we use little time, it means very less time, but the sense of the sentence tells us that it should be left for some time, for some duration of time. So according to the sense, little is wrong, it should be some. These process is commonly. Now here the process is singular. So with singular we cannot have these. Instead we will write this. Known like rusting of iron. It is not known like, it is always known as. Some another metals also get. Some another is wrong. We will write some other metal. Tarnished on this manner. Now again, on is a wrong preposition used here. In this manner. Let's do the third passage now. Over the late 6 years, Andhra Pradesh. Now it can never be late 6 years. It should be last 6 years. Andhra Pradesh have recorded better growth rates. Now Andhra Pradesh here is a singular state. It's a singular subject. So with singular we cannot have the word have. Instead we will have has. Year in year. Year in year is no phrase. It should be year after year. So in is wrong. Instead we'll write after. The state has emerged as a leader in. Now look here. Again pay attention to the helping verb has. With this we will always have V3 form of the verb. Now here in this line emerge is V1 form, which is wrong. So instead we will write emerged. Continuing with this previous passage, these are the next lines. Several industries on India. It can never be on. We'll have in here. That's an error. It has achieved an phenomenal. Again, an phenomenal is wrong because look here, the word phenomenal has got a consonant sound. So with a consonant sound we cannot have an. An is used with vowel sounds. So here we'll write a phenomenal. Growth rate of 9.07% from 2004-2009. If you are using from, then it should have to after it. So as per the rule, it should be from 2004 to 2009. But since that kind of thing is not given here, from is a wrong word. So it should be during 2004 to 2009. So against the national average of 8.49. It is never so against, it is as against. Let's do the fourth passage now. Bursting crackers is not only harmful in the environment. Now it is not harmful in the environment, it should be for the environment. So a wrong preposition is used here. The environment and is also traumatic. Whenever you have this paired conjunction, not only, it will also have its second part, but also. So in the next line, if you find also here, then be rest assured that it should never be and also, it should be but. So the error here is instead of and, we'll write but. For pets, to keep pets safe during Diwali. Now save is a wrong word here, it should be safe. Animal activists suggest keeping it. Keeping it. Why it? We are talking about pets here. Look at the subject here. It is plural. So for plural subjects, it is matching this verb. For plural subjects, we cannot write it. Instead, it should be written them. Indoors during the celebrations. Beside ensuring. Beside is a wrong word. It should be besides. Besides means other than that. But the word which is used here, beside, it means by my side or by the side of something. Therefore, this is a wrong word. There's a difference between beside and besides. Ensuring that pets do not go in. When pets do not go in is a wrong word. Let's read the sentence and you will understand. Beside ensuring that pets do not go in when people are bursting crackers. Now people are bursting crackers outside. So it cannot be in, it should be out. People are bursting crackers, stay with them. Now here stay doesn't make any sense. So instead it should be staying with them. Staying with them is a best idea as it makes them. Now best here is a superlative form of an adjective. So with superlative form, we always use the, never a. Instead of a here, we'll write the. Now let's read this sentence again. People are bursting crackers. Staying with them is the best idea as it makes them feel more secure. Next, let's do the fifth passage now. Commonwealth golden medalist Hina. Now it is never golden medalist, it is gold medalist. So golden is wrong. Instead we'll write gold. Sidhu used to watch its uncle repair. Now here we are talking about a girl, and with girl we cannot write its. So this is wrong. Instead we'll write her uncle. Repair each kinds of guns. Now kinds of guns is plural. Look here, this is a plural subject. With plural we cannot have each, so instead we'll have all. And developed a fancy for it. Now again this subject, kinds of guns. Guns is a subject for this pronoun as well. If guns is plural, then we cannot have it. It talks about singular object. So instead of it, we'll write them. And in 2006, where she took up shooting her. Where is wrong because we are referring to a time. So for time, we should write when. Family members didn't think she should. Now should is again used in advices, not in any kind of prediction. Now here the sentence is of prediction. So here instead of should it will be would. She would win laurels from her country. It's not from her country, it should be for her country, and made them proud. Now made here is a wrong word. It should be make them proud. Time now to do the sixth passage. Want to keep common cold and flu on bay. The phrase is not on bay, it is always at bay. At bay means at a distance, away. 8 almonds every day. Now this word every day tells us that there is something, some activity which needs to be done as a routine. Whatever needs to be done as a routine always takes simple present tense. So the verb here is ate, which is wrong. So as per simple present tense, we will write eat. Eat almonds every day for a recent study. If you read this line, here for is not an error. You might feel that it's an error. No, but for here is used instead of because. It's giving a reason. It's giving a reason here, right? So this is not an error here. For a recent study had found. Now that study has been done recently. It is not past. So it should be near past, or instead of had we'll use here has. That eating the nuts could help the body to fight off viral infections. Now here with fight we will not write OF, we'll write OFF. OFF is a preposition. The study revealed that almond skins. Reveal is again the wrong tense. It should be revealed. Revealed means showed. That almond skins improved an ability of the white blood. Now it's not an ability, it should be the ability. Alright, now next, cells to detect viruses while also increase. Now while also increase is a wrong word, it should be increasing. While increasing. While is used when another action happens at the same time, and when we use while, we use the next action in present continuous tense. That is why instead of increase we are using increasing. The body ability to prevent viruses from. The body ability, body is wrong, it should be bodies with an apostrophe S. Body's ability to prevent viruses from spreading inside the body. Now let's do this last passage of the session. Civic authorities on DLF city. Now on is a wrong preposition, it should be of DLF city and Palam Vihar, which have been running. Now here which is wrong because which is generally used for objects, but we are talking about civic authorities, which are people. So for them we'll use who. Who have been running behind cows, pigs and dogs. Expect and threefold. Look at the next word here. Three is a consonant starting word. With three we cannot have an because it's a consonant word. Therefore we'll write here O. An is used only with vowel words or vowel sounds. Threefold increase in the numbers of monkeys. Now numbers of monkeys is wrong. Instead it should be number, not S. Caught after Diwali since the past couple of days. Look at the next part of the sentence. Past couple of days tell us about a duration, and with a duration we use for, not since. So since is wrong, instead we'll use for. A large group of monkeys have been spotted. Now a large group of monkeys, group of is also a collective noun. A group is a collective noun and collective noun takes singular verb. Now here the verb is have, which is plural, which is wrong. So instead we'll take has. Spotted at C block in Palam Vihar. Children in the area are no allowed. No allowed, no is wrong. Instead we'll write not allowed to play in the park or on the road, as the monkeys should attack. Now should again is used for advice, and this is not an advice. We are only predicting, we are giving a possibility. So monkeys may attack. Should is wrong. Instead of this we should have may. SP Jain, a resident of Palam Vihar, said.
Thank you so much for being with me in this session, and I'll see you again in my next video, and I hope this all helped you. That's all. Thank you very much. Bye.